Sergei Sakhnovsky one of the best opportunities to reach a medal in these Olympic Games. I've been told that you are training now in Milano.
Yes, we're now in Milan. We trained here yesterday and today and tomorrow, and then we're going to return back to the village.
So what's the program exactly?
Well, we're just training here for a few days, and then we go back to the village and we start training, and then we start our competition on the 17th.
Are you confident?
Yes, very, very excited. We're very happy and very excited and want the competition to start already.
You learned your 5th place in the European Championship in Lyon.
Yes.
So
yes.
Do you think that you can do more and better than that?
We hope so, because we skated very well in Lyon, and everybody thought we should have been in the top 3. But the competition here is very tough, and everybody wants a medal.
Of course.
Yes, everybody's going to be going for a medal, and everybody has a realistic chance. And since there's so many good teams and everybody has such a high level of skating, but we are going to try, and this is our dream, and this is what we want. So we will try to do everything for this.
This will be a goal dream.
Oh yes, of course. It would be a dream come true.
Okay, thank you for answering to our question. All our wishes, Galit. It was Mati Inbar from Jerusalem.
בשבט זה חג בשבילי שנוטים בו הרבה עצים והוא חג מאוד כיף.
Tu B'Shvat, the 15th of the Hebrew month of Shvat, is also Israel's Arbor Day, the biblical New Year for trees.